I usually wouldn't make a video, but this is important. I need to show you guys. Look at this replay. I saw his level 1 crow and I wanted to check him out. And yeah, as I went into the replay, look at, if you can see, tell me what you see. We have Ash, YouTube, which is a pro, if you haven't heard of him. I can't believe what you're doing if you haven't heard of him. And then we also had the real Jigsaw in my game, and I'm going to be showing you the replay right now. I'm not gonna show me my perspective. I'm just gonna go down to Jigsaw or Ash. Okay, there's Ash and Jigsaw. Oh my gosh, clip that. Jigsaw teams, even though I team Jigsaw teams, clip that. That needs to be clipped. No, it doesn't. Never mind. Not saying a team, but then we have me over here. We got power cubes. Ash is getting stacked. Let's go to Jigsaw. I don't want to spoil what happens, but there's 2 codes. Look at that code. Do you see that level 1? Talk to this guy. Actually, look at his profile. He has a level 1 code at 700 trophies. So pop to you, and Jigsaw dies to his challenge. Rest in peace, Jigsaw. But then you have me over here in the corner. I'm just doing a little spin. Yeah, Jigsaw pretty much kills me. And oh yeah, by the way, I did better than Jigsaw in a match. So if I'm not good, if you don't think I'm good, I don't know what makes me good. I'm just kidding. I am in bot 7. So let's see. I want to go back to Ash YouTube. Alright. Ash is 14. Yeah, I just say Ash. He's posting one game. That's the game. Look, Ash is teaming with the Spike. Do you see that? Do you see that? Is that legal? Hey, ban Ash YouTube. No, I'm just kidding. No, don't ban Ash YouTube. I'm not a hypocrite. Alright, yeah, you know I hate returning teammates, but I actually ended up doing it in this match just because, you know, up here, it's every man for himself practically. As YouTube coming up on me, I shoot him. Okay, I'm below. I'm killed by bot 7. What's the rest of it? Yeah, I enjoyed watching some pros in my showdown game. It's kind of cool. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay safe and goodbye, everybody.